Hi, this is Tom Reilly coming to you from the CME Group floor in New York. We're about 50 or 60 cents higher in trading here this morning, and we'd look to probably trade a little bit higher from here. We had traded higher overnight based on the fact that the dollar was a little bit weaker. That's come back and shown some strength, and the stock markets have rallied a little bit here after Asia was down overnight. We'd look for us to probably rally here another 50 or 60 cents, but really not end up much of anywhere above $1 higher here. We don't really think this rally has a lot of legs to it. We're kind of still stuck in the middle of the range we've been in, right between $80 and $90 that we've been in for 2 months. And there's really no driving news stories out that look to push us higher than 90 or really take us lower than 80. We still have the tension in the Middle East that people are looking at, but the demand numbers for heating oil and gasoline have been very weak over the last 4 weeks. So that's kind of putting some downward pressure on. So we're just caught in a tug of war with the price of oil not really ended up moving much one way or the other. You also have the year end for a lot of people that was December 1st, and for the majority of the rest of the people it's going to be December 31st. So people that have made their money for the year in the markets are really not going to trade it. It's going to be a pretty quiet market for the rest of the 2012. We have about 3 weeks left here, and no one expects the volume to be great, and no one expects the market to really move much unless the fiscal cliff problem does rear its ugly head again, and we do actually go over and there is no compromise. You could see the market sell off on that, but a lot of people have been talking about the compromise in the last few days, so we're thinking that things will be hammered out and the markets will probably just chop around until the end of the year, and then in the new year decide whether they're going to take it slower or higher. So right now we're about 50 cents higher. No real news coming out today on any economic data, no important data. So we're going to look for a quiet trading day here and probably end up with the day about $1 higher. Thank you. This has been Tom Reilly at the CME Group in New York.